Hello, I'm Katie. I just wanted to welcome you to this ebook and say thank you very much for supporting it. You're going to be hearing a lot of my voice and seeing quite a lot of my hands as I demonstrate all the techniques. So now I've introduced myself, let me get on and introduce the projects. Okay, so here we have our collection of little beaded boxes, all with flower pot themes. The idea behind this was to teach you two particular shapes. So we've got a basic square shape here and a basic hexagon shape. And you're going to get video demonstrations showing you all the techniques you need to create these. And they're actually a lot simpler than you might be imagining. If you're more experienced as a beader, you might be able to follow along without the videos, but I'd love you to watch them anyway because I'm going to be sharing an awful lot of tips and tricks that you won't get to read in the text. So once we've got the basics out the way, I've moved on to develop some projects. The idea behind all of those was to take what you've already learned and expand your skills. So we're doing things like changing up colouring. You can see we've got spots, we've got different stripes here. Also changing up the sizes, so we've got a slightly taller pot here for the sunflower, a wider and squatter pot for the hyacinth, and in this little Roman style pot I've actually mixed up the two basic shapes for you. I've also tried to use a selection of different seed beads and shaped beads to create some originality in the design. And if you're wondering what this long elongated pot is, it actually doubles up as a needle case. So just finally, to give you a sense of scale, I've got a reel of Nymo here and that will fit nicely inside any of the pots. You might not want to fill it with Nymo, but you could put beads in them or treats. So there's really an awful lot for you to get your teeth into and hopefully enjoy your adventure into making beaded boxes. If you enjoyed that and would like to know more about the ebook, the details are all down below. Thanks for watching.